partager expérience avec l'autre.
Even in Haiti,
Même en Haïti,
on your flag,
sous drapeau haïtien,
it says, l'union fait la force.
il dit l'union fait la force. Sous drapeau, là, ça marqué.
Even stuff in your history,
Et même dans l'histoire,
it shows that working together
il montre que les gens travaillent ensemble.
is powerful.
We realize that all of this information can and will change teachers.
Question que je poser, est-ce que nous réalisons que l'information ça au point là, est capable et vous pouvez changer professeur
They can and they will change students.
et est capable et vous va changer étudiant.
They can and they will change schools.
Est capable et vous va changer l'école.
They can and they will change society.
Est capable et vous va changer société.
They can and they will change Haiti.
Est capable et vous va changer Haïti.
They can and they will change this world.
Est capable et vous va changer le monde ça.
This information reforms people and society.
L'information ça est réformer le monde dans la société.
But it all starts right here with you.
Mais il commence là côté nous avec vous-même.
Okay, next. I think today is the last day of the conference. It is a very interesting conference. I like it a lot. So we cannot go. We cannot let you go without saying our words of thanks to you. We thank you so much. But first, we're supposed to thank God because He gives us the opportunity to be there together. Secondly, we thank Pastor Isaac, the principal of the conference. Without him, the conference couldn't realize, I can say. We thank all of you, the members of the group, who come here in Haiti. You leave your country, you leave your family, you leave your job, your friends, and you come here in order to help us in our education. We are very happy for that. Very happy for that. Especially, we want to thank the only man. Yeah. He's not a teacher. He's not a teacher. But he comes in order to help us. He's a businessman. I want God to help him to be better in his life. Yeah. Remember, there is no country without a good education. There is no a good education without good teachers. There are no good teachers without good people who want to help them. Okay, for that reason, we thank you so much. And we thank to Mr. Peter, even though he is not with us, but he wanted to. We thank him too. I want you to let him know that. Okay.
À la fin, 2 minutes avant une parole, il aurait dit la parole de la Kali, il aurait la Kali, pas la
One more time, we thank you so much, and we want God to help you